Tyler here, back in the RC garage. We will be changing the bulkhead on the two-wheel drive Slash today. Doing some repairs, seeing if there's anything else that's damaged. Check out the video. You'll see a couple of big crashes. Eventually something broke. It's the life in the RC world. So stay tuned. This will be part one of this video. We'll see how long this takes. I estimate about 30 hours, about 30 minutes. So I'm just going to start by taking the tires off. I'll give you a good look of the broken bulkhead. Pulled the screws right out of it. This is something you have to plan for in the RC world. I'm very lucky. I have lots of Traxxas parts spare, ready to go. Now, from the last video, I went with a wider rear tire that seemed to help keep it a bit straighter. This thing is pretty fast, as you can see in the videos. So there, if I move the camera. Okay, so if you look right here, see where the you can actually have a look in there. You can see where the screws have been pulled right out of the bulkhead. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the shocks off there. Looks like the shock tower is gonna have to come off as well. These three screws there. gonna take this screw off. And then we'll pretty much take a break from the video. Dude, do feel free to send me photos on Facebook, Ty McNeil or GTM Paintworks. Show me your RC. Send me your videos. Any local Edmontonian RCers who want to come shoot some videos, let's go, guys. Our RPM bumper and skid plate, a little scraped up, but nothing major. We are gonna have to undo these 2 screws there. These pins are going to be an issue. Those are hard as hell to get out, and I should check to see if I actually have new ones. If not, I might have to drop the entire suspension front. Okay, so now that I got easy access to it, I'll show you. That's where the screw's pulled out of, so we're going to have to change that piece there, which means I'm going to have to take these front control arms off and take the shock tower off, and then we'll go from there. So smash the bell, subscribe to the channel, Tyler McNeil at YouTube. Talk to you later.